Hey, what is up? This is John from Magic Tech Review, and have you ever had the issue where your speaker is blown or it's just making some kind of crazy noise and you can't play with it anymore? Well, and did you want to break it with a hammer? Well, I have an app for you and some solutions, so please don't break your phone. Go ahead and watch this tutorial all the way through. Leave a like on the video if you enjoy my content. Go ahead and subscribe if you don't want to get hit with this hammer, and I'll see you guys. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so this is my ZTE Blade X Max, okay? Now my dear friend and homie, pal, co-host, all that with the most, Mill Hustles, which you should totally go follow on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram at Mill Hustles. So he sent me this phone, right? He sent me a bunch of phones actually, and this one is the coveted ZTE Blade X Max. So I never had the ZTE Blade X Max, and I always wondered, how it would be and what would it sound like or whatever like that. And I just wanted the phone or whatever. Well, he said that there was one problem with the phone. Everything else worked flawlessly, but the music, the speaker is busted, okay? So this is what the Magic Network official soundbite Little to Epic MTR sounds like on this phone, because the back speaker does not work, okay? So there are a few fixes for this. Obviously, you can put it through a Bluetooth connection, and then you can play it through your Bluetooth. You can connect an earpiece, or you can connect, some headphones or whatever, and that'll work as well. So, boom, okay, right? But what if you don't have any of those? What if you don't want any of those? What if you want to do something a little different? So just to show you how it's actually broken, I'll show you what it actually sounds like. It just it just doesn't play anything. It's weird, but very sad, very sad. So so basically you're just walking around and see, you get, that's what you get. That's all the audio you get. So as a solution to this problem, in case you want to listen to some sounds or music tunes or whatever, I found that this stealth player right there is a really, really good solution. So let's go ahead and take a look real quick at the Play Store. And this is not sponsored, by the way. I was just looking around and trying to find a solution to make a video, obviously. And here we go. Stealth audio player, play audio through earpiece. So basically what it does, instead of your audio coming out through here, it plays your audio through here. Okay, so like I said, this thing is totally busted, will not work. But let me show you guys now that I have the stealth player. Very short download, I think it was 4 megabytes. Now it's not going to be for everybody, obviously. You know what I'm saying? Most people are just going to use headphones, or they're going to use Bluetooth, or just going to throw away the phone. But if you have a speaker that's broken, it's busted, guys, and you want to make it work, then make it work. Leave in the comments down below if this video is actually helping you in some way. Are you going to use this application? Are you going to tell somebody about it? Or are you just going to, just watch the video and lurk and leave a dislike and be a troll? But anyways, so here is the Magic Network song. Same song, right? So let's go ahead and see if it plays now. Hey. So obviously it's not going to be as loud, guys, but it is coming through your earpiece. So let me put that right there for you guys. So you can actually put it to your ear, like you're, you can like you're making a phone call. You know what I'm saying? And it sounds perfectly fine. Okay. So this is just so you can get a little bit of sound or whatever. If you're on a train, plane, bus, whatever, and you're bored to death and you just don't have an earpiece or you don't have a Bluetooth speaker, then this is good for you. Obviously, you don't want to turn this thing blaring up, because you don't want to blow out your earpiece as well. But so this is my solution that I found, and obviously this person right here, shout out to the application owner there. So I'll try to leave a link in the description below. They're Apple by Usman, apps by Usman. So shout out to you there, my homie, my boy, for figuring this out for people. So it looks like 50,000 people have downloaded the app, 4.5. So yeah, so now this is only going to play what you have downloaded so far on your phone. Okay, so It's not gonna like that. It's not gonna play like everything on the internet and all that goodness. But you know what I'm saying? As long as you download it, then you know you should be fine. You know what I'm saying? They have like a little thing right here. You can go to your videos. You can go to your folders. You can invite friends, about settings, and everything like that. And I believe you can upgrade to 149. You remove ads and you show support your appreciation towards this app. So there you go, guys. You can upgrade it to the Pro and all that stuff. So yeah, guys, sounds like a winner to me. So let me know if you guys found this helpful and insightful. Leave that in the comments down below. Leave a like on the video if you enjoy my content. And subscribe if you don't want to get hit by the hammer. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for the view.